My name is Dr. Ryan Dunlop, and I am the owner of Better Life Dentistry in Fresno, California. I operate sedation and implant practice, as well as an in-house dental lab named Better Life Imaging and Lab Services. Any lab that wants to operate in a digital space needs to have a 3D printer. I've been using 3D printing for a little bit over 2 years. I started with a very basic tabletop 3D printer. The printers were not reliable enough, not aesthetic enough, and not fast enough to be able to provide same-day delivered prosthetics.
We don't have that problem anymore. Since we got the Envision One, we don't have to worry about accuracy. We don't have to worry about waiting. This thing is just accurate and it's fast.
The Envision One printer has really changed the way that I did digital dentistry. The other brand that I have is sitting over there getting dusty. The reason it's getting dusty is this is a bigger build platform than my previous printer. It's a faster printer than my previous printer, and it's a more accurate printer than my previous printer. Accurate enough to be delivered in the same day. My little friend here is producing a beautiful restoration for a very lucky patient. I did the surgery this morning. We designed it in about an hour, and it takes about 30 minutes to print.
When she comes out of sedation, she'll have something ready and she'll be out the door with a brand new smile. Same day, no problem.
They look great. They look beautiful. I've waited 10 years and I finally got my teeth that I wanted. All done in one day. And I'm so proud of the way they turned out. They feel like teeth.
The patients think that they look spectacular.
I absolutely love this machine. It makes my work day so much easier.
Patients want to come into your office, know that they are leaving with something that's highly aesthetic, functional, and durable. 3D printers are the magic wand that allow you to provide quality same-day dentistry.
Hey, let's get that design in the printer, no problem, boom, done. Let's get that design in the printer, boom, done. And that makes us as technicians look great because we're delivering on what they're asking for.
The patient acceptance rate for my cases has gone up because I'm able to look them square in the eye and tell them that they're going to leave unquestionably with a custom designed 3D printed new smile. I've never been able to say that with that much confidence before. So the advancements that Envision Tech have made in this printer I think are astounding. There's really no limit to what you can print on this machine, and I'm excited to see what Envision Tech comes up with next.